Hello, today we will guide you through how to fix Outlook error not responding. If Outlook keeps freezing or showing a not responding message, don't worry. In many cases, the issue can be fixed by starting Outlook in safe mode first and then using the built-in repair option for Microsoft 365 or Outlook. We'll walk through both methods clearly so you can follow along at your own pace. To begin, press the Windows and R keys on your keyboard at the same time. This opens the Run dialog box, which is a quick way to launch programs and troubleshooting commands in Windows. In the Run box, type Outlook XE /safe. Make sure there is a space between Outlook XE and safe, because that part is important. This command starts Outlook in safe mode, which loads the program without extra add-ins or custom settings that may be causing it to freeze. Now press Enter. Outlook should begin opening in safe mode. If a small prompt appears asking you to confirm, click OK, and then sign into your account if needed. Once Outlook opens this way, it can help confirm that the problem may be related to add-ins or a damaged Office installation. Next, we'll move on to repairing the application from Control Panel. Open Control Panel on your computer, then click Uninstall a program. This will take you to the list of installed software on your system. Look through the list for Microsoft 365. When you find it, right-click on it and choose Change. A repair window should appear. From there, click Repair. This process can fix damaged program files and often resolves Outlook issues without removing your data. Give it a little time to complete and avoid closing the window while the repair is running. There is also another way to access the repair option through Windows Settings. Open Settings, then go to Installed Apps. In the search area, look for Outlook. Once you find it, click the three-dot menu next to it. Choose Modify, then scroll down until you see the repair option. Select Repair and let Windows complete the process. These repair options are useful when Outlook opens but becomes unstable, or when it refuses to respond entirely. If one method doesn't seem available on your device, the other path usually leads to the same repair tools. After the repair is finished, try opening Outlook again normally. In many cases, the app should start working properly. Thanks for watching, and we hope this helps you get Outlook running smoothly again.